Welcome to a story of hope, conservation, and India's ambitious journey to bring back a lost icon. This is Project Cheetah. Once upon a time, India was home to a majestic predator, the cheetah. But overhunting, habitat loss, and changing landscape lead to their tragic extinction in 1952. In 2020, a groundbreaking idea took shape to reintroduce the cheetah to India. The project aimed to restore the ecological balance and inspire a new era of conservation. The first step was to find suitable cheetahs. India partnered with Namibia and South Africa to select 8 cheetahs for the historic translocation. In September 2022, these magnificent creatures arrived at their new home, Kuno National Park in Madhya Pradesh. The journey has not been without challenges. Some cheetahs faced health issues, while others succumbed to unforeseen circumstances. These setbacks highlighted to the complexities of wildlife reintroduction. Amidst the challenges, a ray of hope emerged in March 2023. The first litter of cheetah cubs was born in India, marking a significant milestone in the project. Project Cheetah is an ongoing endeavor. It requires meticulous planning, continuous monitoring, and community involvement. The goal is to establish a self-sustaining cheetah population in India. The reintroduction of cheetahs is not just about bringing back a species. It's about restoring a lost chapter in India's natural heritage. Project Cheetah is a symbol of India's commitment to conservation and its vision for a harmonious coexistence between human and wildlife. Let's support Project Cheetah and ensure a bright future for these magnificent creatures.